Welcome to our MediaViz AI app tutorial video series. In this video, we'll walk through starting a collection and how to upload photos using the desktop uploader. Let's start our first collection. A collection is an independent group of photos that is analyzed together to generate insights, apply labels, and organize metadata. Collections allow you to focus on a specific set of images, whether by event, project, or purpose, without affecting other groups of photos in the app. Start by clicking the New Collection button. Add a name and description to your collection to help you keep track. In these tutorials, we're using a set of demo photos so we can show you all aspects of the app. So we'll type in the name and description accordingly before moving on to the next step. The next page is where we get to choose all the AI tools we would like to utilize through the MediaViz app. The curating model identifies the best photos from your collection. This is a great way to see our curation capabilities at work. You'll be able to see the best, middle, and worst photos from your collection. All AI models are needed for our curation, so all will be selected if you choose this option. Similarity detection compares each image to up to 1 million other photos in your collection to find other images that are in close proximity to the contents and composition, so you can filter through near duplicates. You can choose which level of similarity that best fits your collection. Because this collection is a wide range of photos that capture various moments in time, we're choosing the low similarity level of similar moments. Take a moment to choose which will fit your collection best, and we can always give you our recommendation if you're unsure. Our color detection will show you the most prominent colors within your image. Face detection can either show how many faces are found within the photo, or advanced face detection can be selected to detect and group faces across your collection. You may also add labels to the faces that are detected. We'll choose the advanced face detection so you can see the full capabilities of this technology. Image classification provides labels for objects like cups, clouds, and cars. Lastly, blur detection identifies the level of blur in your photos. Now that we have selected all the AI models we want to see the data for, the system will create our new collection. It's time to upload some photos. To do this, you'll need to make sure you have the desktop uploader installed. As a reminder, you can download the latest version of the photo uploader under the menu here. You'll be brought back to your starting screen, and your new collection should say Awaiting Upload. Open the desktop application you downloaded and use your username and password to sign in. Refresh the application to see your collection awaiting upload. Click the 3 dots at the top right, then click on Select Folder. Once you find the folder you would like to upload, follow the steps to allow the process to begin. For this demo, we'll use a collection with 1,000 photos and time the upload so we can show you how fast the system is. Our desktop uploader is so fast because it creates a super small thumbnail version of each photo. It is able to process the data out of even that small file size. Our system is extremely fast, and the speed averages 1,000 photos per minute per AI node. While the images are uploading, our analysis is already beginning. Unlike traditional systems, the upload and analysis are able to happen in parallel for the fastest experience possible. When you create a collection, a dedicated AI is assigned to it. Starting with an objective perspective, it learns from the photos you include, gradually adapting to your preferences and making decisions based on the patterns it sees. Your collection actively shapes how the AI makes decisions about your photos. And wow, it only took us about a minute to upload all 1,000 photos. Now that the photos are uploaded, you can find them in the main collection screen. In the next video, we'll go through all the data we pulled from the demo collection.